Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. We are in the hot chocolate season, and so I thought it would be fun to share with you a really easy recipe for hot chocolate mix. You can find a full recipe with all the measurements on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. Into a large bowl, add powdered sugar. I'm using dry non-fat milk, unsweetened natural cocoa powder. I'm also going to add some cornstarch and salt, and lastly some vanilla bean sugar. If you'd like, you can also add some ground ginger and cayenne pepper if you like your hot chocolate with a little bit of a kick. And then give it a good stir until everything is combined. And I'm going to process it in a food processor for about 30 seconds. You can also sift it, but I like food processor better. In this mix, I'm also going to use chocolate. So today I'm using 2 chocolates. I'm gonna add white chocolate and dark chocolate. Instead of using my food processor to chop the chocolate because it tends to mess up the blades, I'm gonna use serrated knife. And you want to chop the chocolate into small chunks, and serrated knife works really well for this. And then you can add it to the mix and give it a good stir, and your hot chocolate mix is ready. You can store it in an airtight container until you are ready to use it. However, I also like to make cute little gifts for the holiday season, so to make these I am going to use piping bags. So into a piping bag, scoop out about 2 servings of hot chocolate mix. And then you're gonna twist it at the top and then fold it over until you have a little pouch, and then we're gonna add this pouch into a new piping bag. And then you can add marshmallows at the top, or you can add extra chocolate chips. I'm using micro marshmallows, but you can also use regular mini marshmallows. And then if you can add a ribbon and tie a pretty bow. There, it's almost ready. Then you're gonna trim the ends, and your little hot chocolate gift is ready. You can just repeat until you are done with all of the hot chocolate. If you'd like to make these even more special, you can make chocolate decorations. So here I'm tracing a snowflake shape on a piece of paper. And to make the decorations, I'm using white chocolate, and I'm gonna melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals at 50% power. Make sure that you agitate the chocolate really well after each time you microwave it so you don't overheat it. Sometimes it looks like it's not melted, but actually the discs are melted, so make sure that you agitate the chocolate. And once it's melted, pour it into a piping bag. Cut a small opening on the piping bag, and then place a piece of wax paper over your template and start by outlining the snowflake, and then you can fill in the center. To smooth the chocolate, you can simply shift the wax paper, and then you can see the chocolate is smooth, or use a little needle tool or a toothpick to smooth it out. I'm gonna top it with some crushed candy canes and micro marshmallows. And then we're gonna stick it into the fridge for about 15 minutes until chocolate hardens. And then we can peel off snowflakes from the wax paper and use them in our hot chocolate. To test the hot cocoa, I heated up some milk. I like to use milk in my hot chocolate. Although you can use water, but milk just produces creamier hot chocolate. And then we can top it off with our toppings, marshmallows, and those beautiful chocolate snowflakes we made. This cozy drink is perfect for the holiday season, and if you ask me, it's perfect for all year long. It's so yummy. And I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do. Recipe is posted on my blog. You can visit my blog by checking out the link in the description box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.